Google has finally released official replacement parts for the base model of the Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL. So today, we'll talk about which parts you'll be able to easily replace, which website is best for finding these genuine replacement parts, and how much you can expect to pay when performing a repair. For the base model of the Pixel 10, you are currently able to purchase the replacement screen. We can replace the adhesive for the front-facing camera, the display, and the back glass. We can get a new mesh for the microphone of the Pixel 10, and we can get a new thermal pad for the SoC, as well as a new graphite sheet to help cool it down. You can replace both the rear camera setup and the front-facing selfie camera. There are new batteries that can be purchased, and a new piece of glass for the back of the device. Some of these parts will cost the same no matter which device you are replacing it for, but others will cost more or less depending on which phone you have. For example, the replacement screen for the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL is going to be priced at $250, but you can get one for the base model of the Pixel 10, and that will only cost you $160. And you'll notice the rear camera module for the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL is currently priced at $200, while you can get one for the base model for $160, which makes a lot of sense considering the Pro and Pro XL models have higher end parts compared to the standard version. Pricing is going to be a bit hit or miss when we compare things to last year. For the majority of the parts, we're looking at replacements costing us the same or slightly less when compared to the Pixel 9 series. We can see the genuine battery is actually going to cost you less than what folks spent last year, and we're going to be paying the same for the front and rear camera modules. It's only when we would need to replace the screen or the back of the glass that you actually see prices go up, with the screen costing $20 more than last year and the back panel costing $30 more than last year. So, if you've ever had to swap out a part of the Google Pixel phone in the past, please share those details in the comment section down below, as I would love to hear how easy or complex the process was for you. And please, do not forget to give this video a like, click on that new hype button that YouTube has been advertising lately, and subscribe to the channel too for more Android news content like this.